이곳은 크로아티아의 두브로무니크입니다. 어제 호스텔에서 만난 야스민이랑 오늘 올드타운을 같이 둘러보기 위해서 지금 시내로 가는 중이에요. So you live in France, but you're from Algeria.
My nationality.
Wow. 여기는 로브리예니악이라는 성인데 개별로 들어보면 15유로나 하네요. 저 근데 어제 다행히 한국분을 만나서 그분한테 패스를 받았거든요. 1일권을 받았는데 이제 성벽 투어가 포함된 게 35유로인데 여기도 무료로 입장할 수 있대요. 성은 별거 없는데 여기서 보는 전망이 훌륭하네. 저기 성벽 걷는데 35유로나 한다고 해요. 그래서 저는 안 걸을 건데 대신 여기서 전망을 보면 될 것 같아요. 크로아티아를 제일 기대했는데 비가 와버리네. 수영하려고 수영복까지 입고 왔는데.
No, because when they are rain, the water it's
Wow?
wet.
Ah, really?
Yes, yes, yes.
I wear swimming pants now.
I'll try.
Yeah, but it looks very cold.
Maybe
Maybe I
tomorrow
will-
they are rain much.
Yeah.
It's now. Today is the perfect day.
Perfect day. Sandy? Cold? Warm? Not cold? 잠깐만. Yeah, it's warm.
Very.
와, 따뜻하네. 근데 아니 근데 look at the wave. It's very strong. 와, 사람들 진짜 엄청나다. 와. 역시 한국 관광객들이 많네요. 지금까지 발칸에서 한국인을 본 게 코토르랑 여기가 단 것 같아. 거의 못 봤는데 역시 크로아티아. 느낌이 꼭 이탈리아 같아요. 여기도. 그래서 인기가 있는 거구나. 특히 이런 작은 골목들 안쪽이 되게 아기자기하고 그리고 레스토랑 같은 것도 있어서 되게 예쁩니다. 여기가 왕자의 게임에 나오는 계단이라는데 안 봐서 모르겠네. 여기 대충 보니까 누가 옷 벗고 여기서 찍었더라고요. 나중에 봐야지. Thank you. I like this.
Ah
But,
oui?
yeah.
Ah oui, c'est comment on dit? You look good like this.
Yeah.
Ah oui.
와, two person.
You go in Paris and you.
와, burger, 30 euros. I wanna eat this.
This is also in France. It's.
Yeah,
I
everywhere.
never eat this in my life.
In your life?
Yes, because it's.
Never you tried this one? You never tried before?
Maybe
Really?
I try, but it's not fresh or.
Oh,
You know?
I'm so sad.
Yes.
If you go Thailand, you
I
can
will.
eat.
Okay.
You can, like this.
Okay. Okay.
You can
Wait,
good
ça
fresh
va.
one. Different person.
After you eat this, you are another person.
Why?
Because the price.
Ah.
Burger too. If you eat this, you are another person after.
Another person?
Better.
Better? 여기 가격이 미친 것 같아. 제가 갔던 어느 유럽보다도 훨씬 비싼 것 같습니다. 발칸이라고 생각해서 다 쌀 줄 알았는데 아니야. 여긴 예외야. Coke is 6 euros. Just little can.
Oh, so the cafe is.
3 euros. Yeah, it's better than Coke.
Wait,
But
wait.
so crazy.
Yes, it's
Look at the
crazy.
price.
Café
How come?
latte,
How come?
5 euros. Me, I pay my flight 20 euros for come in Croatia. Flight. Avion.
Flight.
Yes. It's cheap.
20 euros only.
Yes.
From France.
From France.
Go and back?
Wait.
Really?
Yes.
10 euro, 10 euro?
But in place, in Croatia,
Oh.
all it's
yeah.
expensive.
If you drink 3 Coke, You can go
Wait.
and back.
Because it's a place.
I will not eat. I will not eat anything here.
Wait,
Yeah.
no. Take a rest.
You wanna cut?
Quoi?
You wanna cut your
No.
1, 2, 3. Maybe we can climb up with this, and we can go for free. 35 euros. With this. Because. 오씨. 와. 아니 비둘기 왜 이렇게 알아? They fly always low. Ah, the whole. 와, 씨. 와, 좋다. The vibe is good. I saw the people swim here, but today I will die. 진짜 이 두브로니크의 성곽은 진짜 규모가 남다른 것 같아요. 제가 여태까지 본 그 성 어느 곳보다 진짜 크고 웅장하고. I never think hair looks delicious because your hair can give me the noodle image. This is totally noodle.
Ah oui, noodle.
Yeah, yeah.
With
Your
the
hair-
spicy.
Yeah. Your hair makes me hungry.
Now I like, but when I was little,
You want to
in
change?
school,
Ah.
like you know the animal in
Animal? What? Pigtail?
non,
No?
non, mouton, le mouton, meat
Meat.
is the
Intestine, you mean? You mean this?
no,
Some- this one?
Oui.
Horn?
And
This-
when I was children, you are mouton, you are mouton.
mouton,
So
ah.
there is children.
Ah.
So after when you grow
Uh-huh.
up, you say, oh,
But now you satisfy.
oh oui.
Yeah, it's good. Very special. Now, I start to cook in Europe just 1.5 months ago. Before I didn't make again. Europe makes me cooking well. Europe makes me